Hey, this is John. This is a quick video on how to put together a notebook for currency collecting. My friend Sal, who's one of the admins over at Cool Cereal, started me on this. But it's it's a this is just a three-ring notebook. It has some pages from BCW. Originally was Baseball Card World. But they changed their name a number of years ago. They've been in business 40 years or so. So the pages here are BCW Pro 4-pocket currency pages. They sell two kinds of pages. One is for regular bills and another one's for large bills. This one is regular bills. The dimensions of the pocket are 6 3/4 by 2 3/4, and what I have on the side here, these are just like a normal index card cut into fours, and right now all I have is just the information about where I got the bill from. But yeah, they have 3 holes fit in a normal 3-ring notebook, and it's yeah, it's really kind of a nice display. The when we the bills themselves also are in individual sleeves, and the one thing you have to make sure you have an eye on is that the dimension of the sleeve is less than 6 3/4. If it's a little bit larger or a little bit higher than 2 3/4, it's all right. I think these are, it just sticks out the top a little bit, but it doesn't really detract from the overall look of the thing. But yeah, it's yeah, this is really kind of nice. You can get a notebook at Walmart. But getting the pages and the sleeves, you can get those on Amazon. I have links to these in the description if you want to go get some. So anyway, appreciate it. Hope you have a good day. I always appreciate if you subscribe and give the video a thumbs up and comment. Try to answer all of them. Thanks a lot.